Good morning, boys and girls. This week, our story for reading is Thunder Rose. We are on week 2 of reading, and this is our first day of our new story. I'm going to be with you on vocabulary and literary devices this week. Each day, we're going to introduce 3 new terms, and then on the very last day, we're going to review all 9 of our vocabulary words. So let's go ahead and get into our first vocabulary word. That word is branded. The horse I saw at the farm had been branded. Branded just means to be marked by burning the skin with a hot iron. If you see our picture in the bottom right of the screen, you can see the little sideways 3 or the letter N has been branded on the horse. They used a hot iron to burn that symbol on the horse, and it just kind of left like a little scar or raised symbol on that horse so that they can identify it. Our next vocabulary word is constructed. The boys constructed a doghouse after they got a new puppy. Constructed means to put together, fitted together, or to be built. I'm sure a lot of you have constructed different things. Some of you may have seen, like in this picture, the house being constructed. If you've ever built anything with Legos or K'NEX, you've constructed, right? Our next vocabulary word is daintily. The young girl spoke daintily. Daintily just means with delicate beauty, freshly, and prettily. A lot of times people will refer to babies as dainty or say that they do things daintily. They're fresh, they're delicate, they do things very softly or gently or easily. So those are our 3 vocabulary words that we're going to go over today. We'll go over 3 more on day 2 and day 3, and then day 4 we'll just review all 9 of our vocabulary words, but we're going to jump into what our literary device is for today. It is hyperbole. A hyperbole is just an obvious exaggeration that is commonly used in tall tales. This week you're reading a Western with Miss Fields, and they use a lot of hyperboles in this story. And so you need to pay attention and realize that when they use those hyperboles, you should not take them literally. A hyperbole is something that has been represented as much greater, much less, much better, or much worse. It's maybe true, but it's exaggerated a lot. Let's look at some examples to see what we're talking about. He is running faster than the wind. Does someone actually run faster than the wind? No. So what do we mean when we say he was running faster than the wind? Just that he was running really fast. I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Are we really going to eat a horse? No, we're not. That just means that we're really, really hungry, right? My shoes are killing me. I hear a lot of people say that. What does that mean? That our shoes are really hurting our feet, that they don't fit right. They're not actually killing us. They're just hurting us, or maybe they're a little uncomfortable, right? So remember, when you see hyperboles in our story, Thunder Rose, this week, they should not be taken literally. They are exaggerations of what actually happened. We'll get into your assignment for today once it loads. Okay, so your assignment will be posted in Google Forms, and all you have to do is make your own hyperbole or tell me a hyperbole that you've heard used before. I would prefer it if you do not use one of the examples we went over today. So try to be creative, come up with your own, or use one that you've heard used before. That is all for today, boys and girls. Thank you so much for hopping on. You will continue to your comprehension portion next. Thanks.